Yo, Native Drama. This is the Native Drama talking shower, man. That's right. Native Drama. Yo, Native Drama. What you doing in the shower there, Native Drama? Oh, wait. Alright, this is the Native Drama talking shower here. It's not me, MMA GURU. Native Drama. This is the Native Drama talking shower here. I just want to let you know that the MMA GURU is a 26-year-old virgin. Native Drama. He's a 26-year-old virgin to women, ladies and gentlemen. Hey! Why is the Native Drama talking showerhead saying this stuff about me? The MMA GURU, the big fat MMA GURU. I mean, people forget, man. People forget that Bruce Buffer at one time had a 4-inch vertical, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Bruce Buffer had a 4-inch vertical, ladies and gentlemen. People forget, man. People forget. I was living my best life, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen. I was living my best lives, right? Me and the Sewer King, until Simon Theft came around. Ladies and gentlemen, that's right. Ladies and gentlemen.